everyone, this is Roshni from Bangalore. So today we have most awaited collection that is called party wear collection today. So last live के winners भी ready है. So जल्दी आप join कर लीजिए and then we are gonna start very soon today all party wear collection today. So I hope you guys will love it because a lot of people have asked me party wear collections. So आज party wear collections के लिए है एंड आज का जो ऑफर है वो है जो जितना ज़्यादा लाइक करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे एंड टैग करेंगे आपको आपके कोई भी परचेज के ऊपर 500 रुपीज़ ऑफ मिलेगा. सो फर्स्ट 3 विनर्स को विल गिव 500 रुपीज़ ऑफ. सो माई टीम वाला चूज इट. आप जितना ज़्यादा शेयर कर सकते हैं वो कीजिए एंड टैग भी कर दीजिए. सो आई होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. सो जस्ट क्विकली मैसेजेस दैट एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. So here the lights are perfect. I guess the internet is also clear. So hi Neha, hi Bini, hi Kusum, hi everyone. So all party wear collection today, as we have mentioned, a lot of festivals are also coming. Navratra is coming, Diwali is also coming. So at least 15 days में एक party wear collection तो बनता है. So okay, thank you Chandni, thank you so much, thank you for liking me. So just message that everything is clear so that we can start very soon. ओके रायपुर में ब्रांच अभी नहीं है हमारा. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द फ्रेंचाइजी नंबर और एड्रेस एवरीथिंग इज मेंशन इन आवर लाइव. सो प्लीज सी दैट. मनीषा जी थैंक यू सो मच. बांग्लादेश में हम लोग डिलीवरी एक्चुअली अभी हम सिर्फ इंडिया में ही ज़्यादा करते हैं, बट इफ़ यू वांट इंटरनेशनल में यू कैन ऑलवेज व्हाट्सएप अस एंड वी कैन जस्ट कोऑर्डिनेट. जो पॉसिबल हो सकेगा विल डू इट फॉर यू. बेसिकली वी डू होलसेल इन इंटरनेशनल. यूएसए में, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, सब जगह में हम होलसेल ज़्यादा करते हैं. ओके, हाउ टू शेयर? इट्स वेरी इजी. यू कैन जस्ट शेयर दिस लाइव to your multiple groups and with your people and you can tag your people also. So end of the live में हमारी टीम डिसाइड करेगी एंड जो भी लकी 3 जो आपके हमारे जो विनर्स रहेंगे उनको हम लोग 500 रुपीज़ ऑफ देंगे. जो भी आप परचेज कर सकते हैं, चाहे वेबसाइट से कीजिए, चाहे व्हाट्सएप से कीजिए, कहीं से भी कीजिए. Sweta, thank you so much. Thank you for liking our dress. So all the collections are like that. These are all party wear collections and you guys gonna love it for sure. So I'll just start today's show and last live winners के this one, right? So last live के जो winner है वो है नूरी जी and please contact 7073061961. So last live के winner please contact कर लीजिए हमारी जो marketing टीम है उनके साथ and नूरी इनका नाम है, ठीक है. So the next one, today's live का तो already started, so please start tagging your people, start sharing the video also. So ये हमारा गाला कलेक्शन है. दिस इज़ इन मसलिन एंड दिस इज़ इट्स अ पेप्लम स्टाइल. सो ये आपका मसलिन में शॉर्ट कुर्ता आएगा विद द स्लीट हियर एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ दुपट्टा वी हैव विद द शरारा. सो दिस इज़ अ शरारा एंड ऑल विथ लाइनिंग एंड इसका जो फ्लो है वो बहुत अलग आता है. एंड दिस इज़ अ दुपट्टा. सो दुपट्टा इज़ ऑल्सो लिटिल डिज़ाइनर. सो ऑल कलर्स भी है इसमें एंड वी हैव 2 कलर्स इन दिस. So both the colors are very pretty, and it's a very stylish piece. You can just flaunt it the way you want, and it is in muslin. थोड़ा गोटा पत्ती का work भी है सामने, so it enhances the beauty basically. So and the price for this is 4495 and size is 40 and 42. So 40 will fit for 38 and 40 and 42 will fit for 42 and 44. And most of the party wears में we have margin. So we have margins in most of the party wear. This is the next piece. ये it's a very smart piece. This is in चंदेरी basically and ये इसमें inner है नीचे. So people who like cotton चंदेरी and all they're gonna love it. So this is detachable and this is from on the top and this is a cotton dupatta. So this is a front look यहाँ का and this is basically in Kora cotton. The price is 4495 and sizes are 40 and 42. The same L in for 38 and 40. XL is for 42 and 44. This is also in Kora cotton. This is a very elegant one with the chiffon dupatta. So this is a handwork here in the front. The price for this is 4995 and the size is 40 and 42. So this has a bottom also. So this kind of bottom is also there with the chiffon dupatta. So this is a chiffon dupatta with this. ये कोड़ा में बहुत elegant piece है. I'm gonna share the photo of this. This is a complete flared one. And this is a gota work in the front and the dupatta also. So this is a very smart piece and it will look very very classy. So I'm going to share the photo for this This is 2795, 40 and 42. So this is very pocket friendly piece, 2795. So this is basically only a gown with the dupatta. This is just here. This is also very designer. ये आपको crop top जैसा आएगा. This is in chinon silk and this kind of sleeves are there. So this is basically a designer sleeves, so which has a cut also. You know, so this is a overcoat with this, and this is a crop top, and this is a skirt. So ये पूरा can के साथ skirt आएगा. So the color is also very pretty. So this is a work here with the shrug and shrugs where, as I showed, this is a different sleeves altogether. So this is 6295, 40 and 42, two sizes. And in this we have two colors. People who have wine and all, they can go with the blue also. So both the colors are very, very pretty. So this is a blue. Clear? Okay, so this is 6295. I hope the video is clear. So this is 6295 with the crepe skirt, with the crop top and the shrug on that. It's clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's clear. All the video is clear. Messages here. Okay, so this is a cotton. This is basically a long peplum style. This is not a short peplum. So people look very different in this. So this is a long peplum style with the cotton dupatta. So this side of cotton dupatta. This is a mirror work here. In fact, in the down also cut work with mirror work is there, and with the sharara. So this looks very classy and elegant. People who want little party wear, they can always go with this. And the price for this is 3395 and 40 and 42, two sizes we have. So L is for 38 and 40 and XL is for 42 and 44. So this is also in Cora cotton. This is ready again. Lot of people have asked me. So this is a skirt with a crop top, and this is the attached one. So this is a very stylish piece. So you can have a look here. So it comes like this. So this is a back flowing, and this is a attached one. So you know, it look like a drape kind of. And this is a silk blouse with this. So this is 5695 and 40 and 42, two sizes we have. So this yellow is basically in skirt, so which has an attached dupatta with that, and it looks very elegant for the, you know, yellow functions, haldi or any function. We can just carry this, and this is a completely Zardosi work here. So 5695. Yeah, it's possible. You can WhatsApp us. We can see what best we can do it for international. So this is 5695, 40 and 42. So this is a chiffon bandez dupatta with that, which is attached. So this is one of the hot selling for you know, party wear during the marriages and all. This is also very classy piece, and it's a very elegant color. So this is a completely embroidery here. So this is a crop top with the mirror work with the palazzo. So this is a palazzo in that. And this is a, you know, jacket overcoat with a completely handwork here. This is 7795 and the size is XL. So we have 44 size in this. So the work of this shrug is very, very different. So it's a completely handwork on that. So this we have only 44 size, only 44, right? So this is 7795 is the price. So this is for the plus size. COD. Cash on delivery we don't have at all. I'm so sorry. It's completely prepaid. You can book it either in WhatsApp. You can book it from website also. Now app is also ready. So आप app भी download कर सकते हैं. It's by the name of Roshni Boutique. So just search in Play Store and you'll get to know the app of Roshni Boutique. So the next one is Anarkali.
Rashmi Tiwari, I am your big fan.
Rashmi Tiwari, thank you so much. Thanks for liking us and keep loving us, keep seeing our video and everything. So thank you so much. So this is a chinon silk mein. This is a gown basically. It's a heavy work mein. It's a completely Zardosi work, and dupatta is also very heavy. So this kind of full border is there. This is in mustard yellow. So this color also looks very bright. And this is completely heavy work, Zardosi work mein. Chinon mein, and the price is 7995. The size is 40 for this. So these are all basically a pure fabric. So the flow and the looks is very different. This is the next one. This is also very classy. This is a chinon skirt with a sleeveless crop top in that, and this is an overcoat. So the overcoat has a sleeves here, so it just gives you a different flow. I'll share the photo of this. This is also very classy, and this is a completely handwork here. So the price for this is 6495 and the size is 40. So this is basically a skirt with a crop top and an overcoat which has a completely different style. So So this is 6495, size 14 chinon silk. Now the next one which I am wearing, this is a very classy piece. So the skirt is also very different. So it's little like a dhoti style, so it's give you a little designer look, and it has a crop top with the overcoat. Overcoat is with the organza and completely handwork. So we have two beautiful colors with this. So this is a very nice color. This is also ice blue. So this is a work here completely, and the printed crop top with the skirt. So as I mentioned, the skirt look is also very stylish, and this is an overcoat on that. The overcoat is in organza. So the price for this is 7,995 and the size is 40. It's fit for 30 to 40 size. So two sizes it can fit into, and margin is also there. So this is the entire look of it. In this we have two colors. The one is ice blue. Another one is the pink which I am wearing, and this is the color of this. So this is also very pretty. So the look of it, it's completely floral print mein, and basically the look of this comes very nice, and this is completely handwork with the organza, and you can just wear it for any stylish way you want to carry it, and it's very stylish of course. So this is one of the piece. It's 7,995, size 40. We have to use a pure fabric for this, otherwise the flow will not come. So I hope you guys understand. And this is in chinon silk. So this is a skirt which is in chinon silk with a crop top and a overcoat on that. So that's all for
in Canada.
We can do that, so you can just WhatsApp us. So there are certain ways what we follow. So just WhatsApp us for international 8310498083, and for wholesale also you can WhatsApp 8310498083. For detail, always WhatsApp at 9448413096 and 7676271096. We already started giving our franchisee again, so you guys can avail that also. For that, you can always WhatsApp at 9341094058. So those are the numbers you can contact, and of course my website is there. My franchisee number from everywhere, you can just get it here after the live. So we'll share all the numbers for them also. You can contact with them also. And thank you so much people for tagging your own people and watching us, liking our collections, buying from website. It's it gives a lot of boost for us to work. Every time I say the same thing, but I mean it actually. So thank you so much people. Thanks for joining me. I hope you like this party wear collection. Thank you. Bye bye.